Assalamu alaikum. Today topic is define branches of chemistry. Different branches of chemistry. Number one, organic chemistry. This branch of chemistry deal with the study of the organic chemistry, the substance that primarily consist of carbon dioxide and hydrogen are termed as organic. The discipline that deal with the study of the structure, composition, and the chemical properties of organic compounds is known as organic chemistry. This branch also deal with the chemical reaction that are used in the preparation of organic chemistry compound. Number 2, inorganic chemistry. It is the branch of chemistry that relation to the structure of composition and behavior of inorganic compounds. All the substances other than the carbon hydrogen compounds are classified under the group of organic substance, oxides, sulfates, and carbonates from the important classes of inorganic compounds. Industrial in organic chemistry deal with the branch of applied science such as the manufacture true of fertilizers, while the descriptive inorganic chemistry deal with the classification of compound based on their properties. Of natural and fabricated material, the study does not restrict itself to any particular type of chemical compounds. Instrument and analysis is a prominent part of modern analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry primarily deal with the study of the chemical present in a substance, in what quantity they are, how they define the chemical properties of substance. Physical chemistry. I'm sorry. This branch of chemistry apply the theories of physics to atom and subatomic particles. When physical chemistry is applied to the chemical interaction between atoms and subatomic particles, the study is now by the name quantum mechanics. It is a relativity vast field that deal with intermolecular force, rates of chemical reaction, as well the conductivity of different materials. Number 4, biochemistry. This discipline of chemistry represents a peep of biology into chemistry. It deals with the structure and behavior of the components of cell and the chemical process in living beings. The complex and large biomolecules are usually composed of similar units that repeat. The complex molecules are known as polymers, and the basis unit they are composed of are known as monomers. Biochemistry deals Biochemistry deals with the study of cellular constituents like proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids, as also the chemical process that occur in cells. Nuclear chemistry. It is a popular and one of the very important branch of chemistry that studies radioactivity. It revolves around the study of nuclear properties of and the chemical process in radioactive substance. This branch also cover the study of the equipment used for the performance of nuclear process, the effect of the absorption of radiation, the production and use radioactive materials, and radiotherapy come under this branch of chemistry. Nuclear chemistry also deal with the non radioactive areas of life.